Welcome to CrowdedLab. Today I have on review Textero AI. It is your essay writer tool, and let's take a look at what kind of features you can get with this one. Well, as you might guess, you can write essays, and you will get well-structured essays. You can take a look at this one. You will have the cited sources. You can use your own uploaded documents, or Textero can find the sources for you. So yeah, as I've mentioned, you can write based on your uploaded documents. Textero also was fine-tuned for writing essays, so you don't have to be a prompt wizard to create a well-structured essay. You'll get the citations well-formed. And if we compare that to ChatGPT, then Textero, in summary, provides much better user experience specifically for writing essays. So yeah, let's jump into the Textero AI itself. And what kind of features can you expect here? First of all, you can see you can use plagiarism checker, AI detector, and you have your writing tools like paraphraser, summarizing, citation generator, essay grader, essay topic finder, and grammar checker. And of course, you will be able to write essays. So let's start exploring the tools bit by bit. And first of all, plagiarism checker. To test that, let's write an essay with ChatGPT. Okay, so I've got this prompt to write me an essay to compare electric vehicles to vehicles with internal combustion engine. I'm using GPT or Mini, so let's generate an essay with ChatGPT. Okay, let's copy that. And let's verify it with plagiarism checker. So we can see that the scan is in progress. Okay, the check was finished. Let's take a look at that. And we can see that there are some plagiarism detected, and we can see it in a well-structured way. Like we can see the plagiarized part highlighted here. Then I believe the similarity score, and we can actually see the source. Yeah. So I would say that's a really nice plagiarism checker. Let's test the same text for an AI. Let's run the scan. Okay, it is in progress now, and you can see as well my previous essay generations. Okay, we can see that it was graded as mostly AI. Alright, so let's move on. Let's use paraphraser. So you can use your text or you can upload a file and you can paraphrase that in different formats. So let's use academic. And by the way, let's check what kind of languages we can use after we are done with paraphrasing. Okay. So yeah, depending on your needs, you can paraphrase your source in different styles. And there are a variety of languages available. And if we use Spanish and trying to paraphrase, I'm not sure what will happen. Will it translate it? Yep, actually, you can use this tool as well as a translation tool for your essays. Yeah, that's nice. You can as well summarize, again, I believe, in different languages. You can use bullet points. For example, yeah, let's move on. Another feature, citation generator. So here you can add your web pages, journal articles, or books and refer that in your generated essays. So imagine you would write something about dopamine and addiction. You can add a source as a web page. So it will look like this. But a better idea is to refer an article by its DOI number. So for example, you find an article and usually it will have so-called DOI number. So you can copy that and now you can paste it here and you will get the citation edit. Actually, I have that here already. Let's delete all of that and add it one more time. Yeah. So this is a much nicer looking citation. As well, you can refer a book. For that, you will need a ISBN number. You can copy that, paste it here, and you can add another citation source. Okay, we have few features left: essay grader, essay topic finder, and grammar checker. But before exploring those, let's actually go and create an essay. You can click create a document and let's write an essay on this particular topic. Let's give a particular instruction to include caffeine addiction as a case study. Let's generate 3 pages, and here you can see that you can use your own library. And actually, to use your own sources, you just need to click here. And I had a few documents uploaded already. You can use that, but actually let Textero find external sources and let's generate. And again, you can generate your essays in different languages. So let's go. It is in progress. All right, so the essay was generated, and here it is. First of all, we can see a few paragraphs about caffeine addiction, and you can see the cited sources, and those come from scientific papers. So you can see that DOI identifier, and if we click on a particular link, we will get a specific scientific paper, and if we click down below as well, we'll get to a particular scientific paper. Okay, so once you generated your essay, you can enhance that. Let's say you would like to add a heading. Well, let's use H2. Let's say you would like to add something like nicotine addiction, and you can just click autocomplete. You can accept that. Let's test this writer one more time. Yep. So in a similar manner, you can do updates to your essay. You have comments, you can paraphrase, and let's make it more academic. Okay, you can make parts of your essay longer or shorter. You can check for AI or plagiarism. And let's copy that. Yep, so you will get the plagiarism score and you can further enhance that to lower that grade. What else can you do with your generated work? You can export that in Word or PDF format. And here is the example. Okay, let's review few remaining features. Let's go to the essay grader and let's grade the generated essay. So to the right, you will see the score. I believe it is from 0 to 100. Okay. You can see different suggested corrections. All right. Okay, so let's check for grammar. And inside the text, you will see the suggested improvements, for example, here and here. So you get the idea. I think it would be better if you could paste it here with the original formatting, like that. Yeah, but unfortunately, it changes the initial structure. So I think out of all features, I would not use this one in, at least in the current form. Maybe the basic one could be better. Okay, I think it is more suited to check grammar on a smaller paragraphs. Okay, so what else do we have here? The last feature, say topic finder. So I'm not sure from which kind of database it gets the data, but it can suggest you some ideas. I don't know, maybe causes and effects of smartphone addiction. So you can just go and start writing essay on a particular topic. Okay, and before we finish, there is also Chrome extension available. So you can access all the features at your convenience using the Chrome extension as well. All right, so I think that's it. That concludes my full Textera review and demo. So what do I think about Textera? Well, nowadays you can generate text and essays as well with ChatGPT and tools alike. However, Textera provides, I would say, more convenient way to generate essays. It has a better user experience. So you go to this tool and you know that you're focused on writing essays. So yeah, you have convenient tools like Essay Grader or Topic Finder if you need that. You have your library of uploaded documents, so you can look at those. You can cite your academic papers. Yep. So it is a really nice helper tool which can give you the possibility to generate good quality essays. So yeah, that's it. And to get Textero AI, please check my link in the description. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.